What's up, guys? It's OAB with Dig Deep Crypto, finalizing my day with XDC's ecosystem. This is the XDC website. Again, what I did was press this utility tab. That's how I got to this page. So we're looking at what XDC's utility truly is. Past video today, I've talked about XSwap protocol. Make sure you go back and check that one out. That's a very good video, very informative. I've talked about Globian's DEX. Check out that video. It's very informative. Today, what we're going to look at is plugin. What is plugin and what is the purpose for them with the XDC network? Plugin is a decentralized Oracle platform. It provides cost-effective solutions for any smart contract on the XinFin ecosystem. The plugin collects data from different external sources, consolidates and makes sure the correct value is provided to its users at any point in time. This is the most crucial part of any decentralized Oracle provider that is highly trusted by all its users. So this plugin is almost the nucleus of what makes XinFin powerful for all of the users that come onto the platform, that comes on to utilize this hybrid blockchain. Plugin currently now is at 23 cents. It's a part of the XinFin network as well as IOTIC's ecosystem. Okay, that's important to know. The supply, max supply is 500 million. I love to see low supplies because when people begin to utilize this technology of XDC, and it seems like plugin is going to be a part of everything, that we're going to benefit by holding on to a coin like this. This is not financial advice. This is just financial information. The all-time high of plugin is 96 cents. So it's been about $1 up until this point. The most popular decentralized Oracle in the blockchain now is Chainlink. Chainlink has 1 billion supply. Price is currently at $28. Chainlink is utilized with a bunch of different platforms. It's part of Ethereum. It's utilized for DeFi and other smart contracts. Utilized for framework and ventures portfolios. It's a part of the Cardano ecosystem, the Near protocol, and that's just to name a few. Talked about Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Phantom. This is a Web3 token that is assisting all of these other ecosystems to be efficient and to have proper data. So that's why it's currently at $27, $28. As people begin to adopt to crypto and begin to utilize these ecosystems more and more, the value of Chainlink is going to increase. The all-time high of Chainlink is $52. Let's take a look at what a Chainlink is. So Chainlink was founded in 2017. It is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts through a decentralized Oracle network. Chainwork allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events, and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. So, let's take a look at plugin. Plugin is secure, scalable, blockchain agnostic, decentralized Oracle. Again, we see decentralized Oracle. So this is Chainlink for XDC. Let's give this a listen.
Plugin is a decentralized Oracle network built on top of XinFin ecosystem. Data that comes in and goes out will be of supreme quality. Plugin ensures the data that comes from the outside world is reliable. Plugin solves the three major problems when compared to other Oracle service providers. It solves high gas fee, complex node setup, and unclear carrot and stick model. It is highly important that data that gets stored onto blockchain is at high quality, and this can be achieved only through decentralized computation. Plugin achieves that easily. Plugin is eco-friendly, as it is built on top of XinFin ecosystem. The energy it consumes is just a fraction, and we arrive at consensus through delegated proof-of-stake algorithm, XDPOS, so it is faster and cheaper. Plugin supports different use cases, such as decentralized finance, weather forecasting, inflation data, and insurance domain. And we are constantly doing research to make a bigger impact in different industry use cases in the future. Plugin, secure, scalable, blockchain agnostic, and decentralized Oracle.
Okay, so we just watched that video. Now I pulled up the white paper because this channel here is a research channel. We're providing financial information and we're digging deep into crypto. Let's look at the market opportunity. I've already talked about Chainlink, but now let's look further about the market opportunity. The evolution of a decentralized ledger technology is disrupting many legacy-based businesses and functionalities around the world, including finance. The emergence of blockchain, a form of distributed ledger technology where transactions are duplicated and saved onto a large number of nodes. Transactions are defined as a set of data packages for storing monetary value, parameters, and function called results, and their integrity is ensured by cryptographic techniques. They are collected in the form of blocks where there are immutable records, and each block is linked to the succeeding block through the hash. But in order for these DLT applications to work and provide value to the people and organizations around the world, they must require a host of information from a non-blockchain data source or off-chain source, pricing data for derivatives or weather information for insurance contracts, or really almost any critical data you can imagine. Without access to such accurate data, these applications would be of little to no use. This is where oracles play a critical role. Oracles primarily work as connective tissue for accessing, processing, and transmitting critical data. Being on blockchain ecosystem, not any kind of oracle system will do. To ensure the integrity of the data, they must be fully decentralized, which plugin is. Talks about the challenges of the current centralized system. Feel free to read that, but just to go over the bullet points, they're saying that data reliability is an issue, cyber attacks are an issue, and the blockchain oracle problems. Let's read this piece. The blockchain oracle problems result from an inability of oracles to verify the integrity of their data. Additionally, the likelihood of malfunction and deliberate tampering varies by type. On the other hand, if the information is trusted and verified, the oracle may fail to function properly on a smart contract due to a malfunction or deliberate tampering. From a game theoretic perspective, it can be demonstrated that the higher the value of the smart contract, the greater the incentive to compromise the system. With XinFin and all of the ISO messaging coins, we are anticipating high value with these coins and with this conglomerate, with these protocols. So it's important that you have something that is decentralized, that keeps away all of the bad guys off of the programs. What is Decentralized Oracle Network? Decentralized Oracle Network eliminates any single point of failure in a smart contract by utilizing multiple data inputs. This enables end-to-end reliability and allow high-value smart contracts in low-trust environments to become viable. Decentralized Oracle networks are designed to enhance and extend the capabilities of smart contracts on a target blockchain or main chain through functions that are not available natively. They do so by providing the three basic resources found in computing systems: networking, storage, and computation. They say that they do these by DONs, D-O-N. Where it says two types of functionalities realize the capabilities of a DON. The executables and adapters. Executables are programs that run continuously and in a decentralized manner on the DON. Let's go past this here. And now let's talk about plugin. Plugin is a decentralized Oracle platform that provides cost-effective solutions to any smart contract which runs on the XinFin ecosystem. Plugin is a fork of Chainlink, open source technology that is collectively developed by a large community of developers, researchers, and users who share the goal of building plugin into a public good for the benefit of XinFin blockchain ecosystem. Through plugin, we enable smart contracts to speak to the outside world easily. Data that gets stored in smart contracts is trustable as we have a strong collaboration with data feed partners. So plugin is currently committed to DeFi applications, which are like stable coins, prediction markets, synthetic assets, decentralized exchanges, and derivative trading markets. These are the type of DeFi applications that they are committed to. The Decentralized Oracle Network comes with high level of security, decentralized architecture to prevent single point failures, censorship resistance, prevent bad action from performing malicious activities, and developer-friendly interface for ease and deployment and operation. The core focus of plugin platform, our core focus is to provide the cost-effective solutions to the node operators and end users who will require the reliable data onto their blockchain through decentralized Oracle service. So plugin is a big deal. Plugin is a very big deal. This is why it's one of my favorite holdings that I have is plugin here. So it talks about the features of plugin. You have the security, the reliability, the node operators. If you have a node, then you can stake and get some passive income for holding your coin. It's a plugin initiator, it's an adapter. And then looks like they're going to have some jobs that'll be listed here that'll be divided into two segments. It'll be the plugin initiators and the plugin adapters. Token supply of plugin is 500 million tokens. The dapps produce so many data requests that it is effective and limitless amount. And when plugin is the industry standard Oracle service provider, hold on, let me read that again. It says when plugin is the industry standard Oracle service provider, we'll need lots of plugin to fulfill all those contract requests. Additionally, the proof of burn mechanic functions to eliminate tokens from the supply, so there needs to be a constant allowance of new plugin being created. On the plugin platform, the plugin token will serve as a part of the payment system. The user's request data would have to make payments in plugin as fee to the client contract, and the farmer hosting node would also receive payments in plugin. It talks about the economies and the allocation here of the token. It talks about its milestones of what they're looking to do. Currently, in Q1, they had business concept development. The product development starts in Q2 of last year. The testnet went live, and that's still present currently now. We have Q1 of this year. They're having their webinars, promotions, hackathon, and other activities. Q2, they're going to have a use case development. And then in Q4 of 2021, Q4 of 2021, it went live in the mainnet. Then this year, Q1, they're having the webinars, and then Q2, they're going to have a use case development. Their promotions and marketing has started as of now. I am not paid by them. I'm not a marketer for them, but I have been looking at the XDC ecosystem, and this has been one of my holds here. And last, what we see here, the reason why plugin was connected with IOTX, I'm not sure how to say that, but IOTX ecosystem is because the IOTX ecosystem, to serve 10,000s of users, the IOTX helps Ethereum virtual machine based dapps scale without concerning expensive gas fees. And we know with XDC, they just had their Andromeda upgrade with the EVMs that is making them interoperable and seamless to deal with these new dapps. It's just pretty much interoperable with Ethereum, and now it is becoming interoperable with the Internet of Things. So plugin is really a big deal. We see with the wording that they're saying there's going to be a leader in the Oracle service, and a lot of people are going to utilize it in the world, and I believe in the project myself. So I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of the XDC ecosystem as it is right now in its nucleus, in its birthing stage. If you appreciate this video, if you found value in this research that I'm providing for you, feel free to donate. I have options in the description for all the different coins that I accept in the wallets to where you can donate those too. Like, subscribe, comment about what you learned about these coins, something that I may have missed, because I'm steadily learning and I'm looking to feed off of you guys, as well as you guys are getting this information, this financial information from me. This is not financial advice. Like, subscribe, put the notifications on, and feel free to donate to the channel. I truly appreciate it. Peace.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging! You'll thank me one day.